Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, we're going to see how you can log out from Kling AI. Well, it is a very easy and simple process, so let's dive right into it. So the first thing that you'd have to do is open your Kling AI. So for which you can go to any browser, and after opening the browser, you can go to the search bar and start typing app.klingai.com. And then tap on the enter button on your keyboard, and this will take you to the official website of Kling AI. And in here you can see I have already been logged in because I was logged in before. So in order to log out, what you're going to do is on the left side you can see the option of profile page right here. Click on it, and then after clicking on it you can see the option of profile settings right here. Click on it. And after doing so, here you can see there is the option of sign out on the bottom right here. All you have to do is click on the sign out option in order to log out of your Kling AI account. Just like this, here you can see you have now successfully been logged out of your Kling AI. You can see there is the option of sign in. So if you want to sign in with your another account, you can click on it. And like this, you can log out of your Kling AI account. And that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.